Hello students, here is a given question and the question says in the given data, what is the given data? The velocity of a body of mass 10 kg increases from 4 to 8 meter per second, means initial velocity is given, that is 4 meter per second, and final velocity is equal to 8 meter per second is given, mass is given, that is 10 kg. Okay, and when a force acts for it, that is delta t is given, that is 2 seconds. Then first we have to calculate, this is not 25, this is this 2 seconds. Okay, now first we have to calculate what the momentum before and after the force act. Okay, means we have to find out the P initial. Okay, what is the P initial? We know that is the, what is the momentum? Momentum means mass into velocity, means initial velocity, that is u. That means the m is 10 multiplied